Hi, I am the photographer Kiki. Here's the freezing South Pole. This is the Emperor Penguin, the largest penguin in the penguin family. Let's go and see what the Emperor Penguins are up to. The Emperor Penguin cannot fly and walks on its 2 feet. When it is difficult to get around, the Emperor Penguin slides on its belly. This Emperor Penguin isn't very good at sliding. Give it a hand. Swipe to avoid the obstacles. The Emperor Penguin will get stronger after eating fish. Wow! Give it all you've got. Help the Emperor Penguin slide further before the time is up. Wow! Give it all you've got. Good job! You have earned some time. Wow! Give it all you've got! Wow! Faster! The Emperor Penguin will slow down if it hits an obstacle. Wow! Give it all you've got! The Emperor Penguin is sliding more quickly. Wow! Give it all you've got! Wow! Faster! Faster! You're amazing! That's a new record! You have obtained 5 stars!